Hi everybody, focusing on the recent hot topic on how to crop a video on Windows 10. This video presents two ways. The first way is using Joyoshare Media Cutter. How to operate. Before everything, you should install and open the program, then import your video to it. Once the video is loaded up, go to the Format window to specify an output format under encoding mode. You are allowed to customize the parameters of codec resolution, bitrate, frame rate, channel sample rate. Afterward, locate the edit icon to access the edit panel. To crop video, select the Adjust tab. Besides entering the width and height values to crop videos, you can also move the cropping window to delete any unwanted content. In addition to the cropping tool, this program is provided with many other editing options. Do it as you like. Now, return to the main interface and touch the Start button to export the crop video. Next, let's learn the second way. Use VLC to crop for free. After running VLC, go to Tools and then to the Preferences option. In the Preferences window, choose All under Show Settings. And then scroll down to Video, tap on Filters, opt for Croppadd. Enter the specific pixels to crop from top, bottom, left, right. When the cropping preferences are set up, head to Media, Convert, Save, and click the Add button to import the video. Whereafter, go to Convert and click the Browse button to get a destination folder. Lastly, press the Start button to export the final video. That's all for how to crop a video on Windows 10. Hope it is useful to you all. Thanks for watching.